I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging on your Android device. This lets your PC talk to the phone. Install ADB platform tools on the PC and open a terminal. Run ADB devices to confirm the phone is visible. Once done, choose wired USB for simplicity or set up the phone on the same Wi-Fi and use ADB TCP/IP 5555. Make sure the device IP is reachable before proceeding to the app pairing stage. You now install the Droidjoy server on the PC and the Droidjoy app on Android. This creates the client/server link. Launch the server first so it displays a pairing code or IP port address. Then open the Android app, grant input permissions and accessibility access so the virtual gamepad can inject events. Once granted, enter the server code or IP into the app and tap Connect. The server will confirm the controller is registered and appear as a virtual joystick in Windows. You finish by mapping buttons and sticks inside Droidjoy, then test the virtual controller in Windows Game Controller settings to verify axes and buttons respond. If you experience lag or disconnections, switch to a direct USB connection for stability and make sure the PC firewall isn't blocking the server. If the device fails to connect, restart ADB with a DB kill server, then a DB start server, reconnect the phone, and re-enter the server IP or pairing code. This usually clears stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.